Guess what we got?
What?
It's red and it's orange like when we go, and if we do like hiya hiya
Okay.
hiya hiya.
Panda, Kung Fu Panda. Oh, look, it's
Yes.
it's a keychain. Nice. Ryan is a Kung Fu master. Put it here, put it here. Put it here so you know which one you're getting. Alright, open them all. I'm gonna open it. Oh, he's a squishy. So you get this one. Okay, hold on. So you get this squishy Ryan. You get Gus, I guess. And I don't know who this is. Who's this one again?
Ryan's alien.
So you put it in this machine. And then you get
that's an alien.
and then you get two different slimes and a sticker
No,
thingy.
there's no stickers thingy. You're not doing it white. I can
They're not
do the-
stickers. Well, why don't you do it then?
Okay, I do.
Okay, do it.
So this is one wood slime. It comes with different kinds of slime here. See?
They can see you from there. All right, ready to open the other one?
No, and here's a keychain if you want to hang it on your backpack. And this is the alien, Ryan's alien. He goes in this alien spaceship, okay? And there's the Gus the Gummy Gator who likes gummies because this is Gus, Gummy Gators. And he can wag his tail. And you also can get a figurine if you find a figurine in those. Oh, I found this one, that one. And
It goes inside. All right, open the other one now. Come on, they're waiting for the other one.
Okay.
I don't have battery for all day. So we're going to put all this stuff inside and cover this. This is the egg. I'll open it. But for now, keep this one right here. Give me that one.
Watch my karate.
Whoa! Let's see what you get.
Red!
You got the red one.
This is the rare one. This is Williams.
She got two of these.
Whoa!
They're just different colors.
I love that.
Pretty much the same stuff.
Wow.
You sure you want to open them? Don't you want to save those?
Both of them have different stuff?
Same stuff.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, pretty much. I could tell. There's just different colors.
Wow, but it has a lot of stuff, though.
It is. Actually, it's worth it. You have to turn that down. I can't have that in here.
We should go to the table.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, we'll do another video for that, okay? Because right now, you want to open the other one? The other toy?
Daddy, wait, this is...
Boo Boo. This one is really fun.
Yes.
Because you can build it, yeah.
Wow, this Ryan toy looks cool.
I gotta rewrap this today for William. Yeah, here too. It's full. You haven't even touched the baby.
More stuff in here.
Yeah, same. Open it.
Whoa, cool.
It's actually worth it.
Oh, look at him.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Where did the slime go? The other slime. Yeah, the slime in here is like it's like jello.
cool.
Close it. Ooh.
Oh. Like,
So it was worth it because this alone it's like
Yeah,
$15 or something.
$20.
Yeah. So there's one. If you're wondering what's inside, it's a lot. Actually, it's worth it. There's a lot of stuff in here. So, and then these are the other toys that she got. So a lot of them. Put it back, Mommy. No slime right now. Thank you. Alright, what do you have to say to Mom and Daddy?
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for my Christmas
I feel like
gifts.
there's not enough. Come on, more too.
No, this is enough. Look how many toys she got. This is it. This is enough. These two. That's all she wanted. Okay, we love you, baby girl.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
You're the best.